Choosing a career and educational path after high school is one of the most important decisions you can make. In a time of life when there are more questions than answers, the Bridges Career Academies and Workplace Connection provides information about education and career pathways and gives you the tools you need to make a smart choice, one that's right for you and right for your future. This program provides an overview of some of the promising careers and educational opportunities available in healthcare. Healthcare is one of the largest and fastest growing industries in the U.S. The healthcare sector offers more challenging and rewarding careers than perhaps any other industry today. Best of all, as a healthcare professional, you can go to work knowing that you help make a difference, improving the lives of others. If you've never considered a career in healthcare, you should know that overall, healthcare occupations are expected to grow nearly 30% in the next 10 years, and most of these new jobs will require less than 4 years of college. As a high school student, it is important to begin preparing now for your future career. You can start by asking your high school counselor about courses and other opportunities that will help you learn more about careers in healthcare. Central Lakes College, with campuses in Brainerd and Staples, offers diploma programs in dental assisting, medical secretary, medical assistant, and nursing. You may even be eligible to apply for a Bridges Scholarship through the Central Lakes College Foundation to help fund your studies. Depending on which program you choose, you can complete your training in just 1 or 2 years and be on your way to a rewarding career. Or use your education at CLC as a springboard to a 4-year degree and an even wider choice of careers.
Working on the helicopter is very cool. I'm Colette, and I'm a flight nurse for North Memorial Air Care based out at the Brainerd Airport. I never thought that I would be working as a flight nurse in a helicopter when I first started out in college. And as I moved into the healthcare profession and started getting trained in nursing, that was always in the back of my mind. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I love working in the emergency department, but working on the ambulance gave me a taste of what else is out there. And so that led me to the helicopter, and this is the coolest job you could have. What attracted me to the career in nursing is the flexibility. There is an unlimited number of positions that a nurse could take. Once you graduate with a nursing degree, you can do almost anything with it. You're not stuck in one particular department, one particular facility. You can work in a nursing home, a clinic, a hospital. Attending CLC was very simple, and I could complete it in 2 years, which was very appealing to me. The class times were very convenient, and all the clinicals were right within the area, so I didn't have to drive a long distance. And then upon graduating, I had already made relationships at healthcare facilities in the area, so it made it very simple to try to find a job because I had already made all these connections here. So staying right in this community to get my education and then follow up with this job was a dream. So you can get trained here and you can stay here to work. Nursing is definitely a career versus just being a job you go to from 8 to 5 every day. It doesn't matter where you work. You get new experiences every day. You're always learning. You never stop that process. And it's very flexible. There is always going to be a job in healthcare. The doors just continually open when you're in the healthcare field, and you can keep moving into different things, so you can just keep moving up in this field.
I think if you have a good idea in whatever field and you work hard, things tend to work out. And if they don't, you'll recover and go on from there. My name is Trevor Harding, and I am the founder of Select Therapy, an outpatient physical therapy practice here in Baxter, Minnesota. I attended Pillager School from 4th grade through graduation and loved it there. Well, very early on, as early as certainly in PT school, before PT school, I'd had a desire to have a private practice. So in 2003, I leased a very small space, 600 square feet, no secretary, and I kind of ran it on my own. So now we've expanded to 4 offices in the Brainerd area in Piers, Cross Lake, Pequot, and Baxter. We have got, I believe, 8 therapists now, and then probably another 5 or 6 support staff between billing, front desk, and so forth. I like it as a career because it's hands-on. It's one of those jobs where you're literally helping people every day. I have very good hands, I'm a very good clinician. That's what made me busy enough to think I could open a private practice. For me, the biggest challenge is I'm terrible at the paperwork part of it. As far as choosing a career path, I would recommend working as an aide in nursing homes, hospitals, an outpatient clinic like mine, working at the front desk even, getting to know the job that way, and then pursuing it from the front side. Well, healthcare is a fantastic degree for someone rural, someone who likes living in a town like Brainerd, because in every town, the healthcare facility, the hospital, and the school are the two biggest employers. Very steady, good job, for a rural community. Job markets vary in every career, but in my time, in my 20 years since graduation, there's never not been jobs in healthcare, nursing, physical therapy. There may be more or less, but it's a very steady, growing field, and it has been the past 20 years. I guess I just don't envision that changing in an area like Brainerd. It's continuing to grow.
To find out more about educational opportunities and careers in healthcare, contact your guidance counselor or visit us online at bridgesconnection.org. Major funding for this video was provided by the Blandin Foundation and by these Bridges supporters.